Honestly speaking, January 8 will never be the same without Brian Mokhotsi and Kate Matlala, guys. So ANC, guys, they're having their 114th birthday lapa Emorolong Stadium in the Northwest, of which is a 20,000 capacity stadium. Lesi abahlule ukuthi basgcwalise. Guys, ANC why bebangathathi this thing bayise a union building rather than ukuthi bahlule ukufila a 20,000 stadium. Guys, niyawabona manje ama-politics wama-stadium from other political parties ukuthi thina we did this, thina we did this. I think this should be a wake-up call for the ANC ukuthi we are. Because nangathi niyakhumbula, ANC 2014 they got 62% kuma national elections. 2019 they got like 57. 2024 they got 40%. In 2029, we don't know what's going to happen, guys. Ngibona uFikile Mbalula no Gwede Mantashe kept on checking their time with the numbers of the stadium. They are not numbering. Guys, bear in mind with eventually even a 2-hour delay because of the stadium besinga gcwale. And then at the later stage, after the president said Kulumile, uFikile Mbalula went on stage and said, no, the people are stuck outside and whatnot. How can the people be stuck outside? Let's start there again. And the Northwest, it is one of the provinces in South Africa that has the highest number of unemployment. I think ANC, this should be a wake-up call. No, coming to my local government elections, we can come back with nothing actually because of it shows good in South Africa, they are no longer happy. So obviously the president of South Africa, Mr. Matamela, Cyril Ramaphosa, delivered the statements. Like if you can look at his speech, guys, besingakahluki ne speech lesa as delivered like a month ago, 2 months ago, lapha ku ANC NGC, ebe lapha in Nasrec in Johannesburg. It was like a copy and paste if you can put those speeches like together. So he said the ANC, they will implement the renewal and the transformation and as well as the turnaround strategy to fix our local government municipalities, of which like guys leli itulo lange mihla. And then they also vowed to address the unemployment crisis and expanding economic opportunities. My question is is the how part. How are they going to address this thing? Because they always say we want to address this, we want to address this, we want to address this. The how part bayenza kanjani or maybe izokusolviwa kanjani. They don't have it, but they tell you what is the problem and we want to address this problem. And they also said to ama councillors that are not working, they must be removed. Like guys, how many incompetent councillors are we having like at other municipalities whereby they are not working? They are always saying they must be removed. But those councillors, they kept on getting ama salaries each and every month, fixing off potholes, same thing. And then also emphasizing the national dialogue. They need to talk about the issues that are affecting South Africans in the national dialogue. And then after talking about them, what's going to happen? Because we know the problems of South Africa. There is no need for a national dialogue. I said this before 2 months, 3 months ago. We do not need a national dialogue. The only thing is sitting in South Africa is the how part. Fix the problems that we are having, of which now we are using kinga econ, unemployment, education, infrastructure is broken, health sector it's a mess, security, police, those are the problems in South Africa. If you can fix them, then we are done. South Africa is sharp. Guys, let me know in the comment section what do you think about the ANC January 8th statement celebrations? Because the way going guys, it shows the ANC, they are having a crisis, and that crisis they can't solve it now. It shows like in the next 12 months I don't know. Like, comment, and repost. Let me know in the comment section how do you feel about the emptiness stadium, and then as well as the speech of the president. They want to fix this, they want to change this, and so let's meet in the comment section.